Good evening. This is Janpa Tatputhon. I'm in my garden and I'm waiting for some birds to come and have some food on my DIY feeder stand. But so far I haven't seen any yet, so we keep waiting. What is important is that bird watching requires patience and stamina. It's a way to stand still, staying, you know, not moving and just hang in there, waiting and waiting. Can you see that? That's the finally you see the bird. Finally you see there's a bird coming and she is, I think, feeding on there's another one coming. Wonderful. That's majestic. Lovely. Okay, I'm dying to make any noise. But as you can see, all the birds, there are two birds now. And one is standing on the